It's Jen Fox on Kicks 102.5, still hanging out live at Wade's RV, 4301 South Rangeline in Joplin. Now they have their massive, huge spring break sale going on right now where they want to save you thousands of dollars, little Wade.
I'm so excited. I've been dancing all day long, and I want you to come out here to take advantage of these deals. Save thousands of dollars this weekend. You're going to pay less for a brand new RV. Plus, we're going to give you more for your trade-in. Now, speaking about trade-in, we have this thing that's called Trade with Wade. It's absolutely the best thing ever because we get a little creative when it comes to trading in. It's true that if you go on our YouTube page, you'll see that we've traded for an Akaushi cow.
No.
Yes. So, funny story real quick. There was a Texas rancher coming through Glenpool, Oklahoma, comes in, finds a brand new fifth wheel, and he's like, well, hey, how about I trade you a cow for my down payment? My dad said, okay. He looked at the man, shook his hand. Literally, 2 days later, we had an Akaushi cow up front at Wade's RV.
Oh my gosh.
We've traded for boats, cars, all kinds of stuff. If you have something of value and you want to make a trade, come out here to Wade's RV. We're just south of I-44 on Rangeline Road. We'll make a deal with you today.
So let's talk a little bit about some of the RVs that you have because I was eyeballing this gorgeous Catalina a little bit ago.
That is my favorite. It's a toy hauler, right? We're talking about the 30TH. That thing is amazing because a toy hauler is an RV with a garage and a party deck. It's like you can't get better than that. So come out here. We have a lot of toy haulers. We have the one you're talking about is a travel trailer. So you pull it with your bumper. We also have toy haulers in fifth wheel options available as well.
So come on down, come see him for yourself. It's absolutely worth it. Wade's RV, 4301 South Rangeline in Joplin. I'm Jen Fox here until 1 on the 4 States #1 for country, Kicks 102.5. It's Jen Fox on Kicks 102.5, still hanging out live, still hanging out local. Wade's RV, 4301 South Rangeline in Joplin, just south of I-44. And they are having their huge spring break sale. And here's the thing. You might be thinking, oh, how do I shop for an RV? I don't know what to do. Well, that's why we have little Wade here. He's going to tell you exactly what to expect when you come on down to Wade's RV.
First and foremost, you have to get here to enjoy this shopping experience, right? So we'll pick out the perfect RV for you and your family and your camping needs. And then once we figure out which unit that is, we'll get you finance and all that good stuff. And now the RV goes through a full inspection, which we call a PDI. We go through everything and make sure it's operating correctly. Then, once it's ready for the pickup day, the delivery day, everybody's been waiting for, we have a demo pad. And basically our demo pad is what you would expect to see out at the campsite. So you have your hookups, everything from water, electric, all that. And we walk you through every step, how to hook up your electric, how to hook up your water. We'll show you the accessories that you'll need to regulate the water because there's so many factors that you can get into when you're out there camping. It's not just a plug and play. There's a lot of education. We touch every button. We move every drawer. We open up everything. And you guys know exactly what to expect when you're out there on the campsite.
And you guys know what you're talking about because you guys are campers here. Y'all are going camping next weekend, I think you said.
Yeah, that's right. So I like to know, I'd like to think I know what I'm talking about, but I've been out there. I'm a camper. Some of my favorite childhood memories are camping with my grandparents. My dad taking us on road trips in a motorhome to visit his town that he grew up in and just stuff like that. So yeah, we've been out there. We know how if you have something that you want to troubleshoot, you could definitely call us because we've been there and we've done that and we actively go RV camping today.
So what's that number for them if they want to call you?
417-623-3110. Visit us on our Facebook page. That's at Wade's RV Joplin. That's where all the fun is happening, or at wadesrv.com.
And if you go to the Kicks website, we actually have Wade's RV tags, so we can also just link you over.
Come on.
I'm Jen Fox here until 1 on the 4 States #1 for country, Kicks 102.5. Hey, it's Jen Fox on Kicks 102.5, hanging out live at Wade's RV, 4301 South Rangeline in Joplin, just south of I-44. I'm hanging out with little Wade as we celebrate the massive, huge spring break sale where they want to save you thousands on a new RV.
That's right. You're going to pay less for an RV, and we're going to give you more for your trade this weekend for our spring break sale event. I'm excited about this. And you know what? We have something for every size and every budget here at Wade's RV. I'm talking truck campers, small travel trailers, toy haulers, fifth wheels, like that big Riverstone up front. That thing is beautiful.
It's gorgeous.
That's something for like somebody that wants to park at the lake and you want to have like your second home, or you want to live in it full time. We have that for you. We have Class C motorhomes. We have big Class A diesel pushers, stuff like that. Now here's the cool thing. We were talking off air. I don't have just one Class C motorhome. I have several different Class A motorhomes, Class C motorhomes. If you want to test drive one today, you could give us a call and we could schedule a test drive for you here at Wade's RV in Joplin. That is 417-623-3110.
So if someone comes in and says, hey, I just want something that's going to get me to the lake and back, I don't want anything fancy, you've got something for that.
Yes, I do. And I would recommend something like the Aspen Trail. I really love the Aspen Trail. It's a great travel trailer. It's lightweight, so you could tow with something like a half-ton truck, something like that. And we have an Aspen Trail 17BH here on location. You can get into that for around $100 a month. That's with approved credit, of course. That's perfect for the family. You have bunk beds in there, lots of room. You have a lot of fun in that thing.
Over 300 RVs in inventory right now, so come on down to Wade's RV. Shop the spring break sale where you are going to save thousands. Spring is right around the corner, so now is the time to buy. I'm Jen Fox on the 4 States #1 for country, Kicks 102.5. It's Jen Fox on Kicks 102.5, still hanging out live and local at Wade's RV, 4301 South Rangeline in Joplin, just south of I-44. And I'm hanging out right now with little Wade, where he wants to save you thousands this weekend.
That's right. I want you to pay less for a brand new RV, and I'm going to give you more for your trade this weekend for our spring break sale. I love RV camping. Some of my favorite childhood memories are RV camping with me and my sister and my grandparents, going to the lake. Also, a lot of memories with my dad taking us on those road trips in the motorhome. So we just want to pass those memories to everybody else. Our tagline is turning miles into memories.
And they can absolutely do that if they come on down and take advantage of this spring break sale. And you may be thinking, well, am I going to be able to actually get what I want there? Holy cow, this inventory is massive. Like 300 RVs in stock, is that right?
That's right. We're talking truck campers, travel trailers, fifth wheels, motorhomes, and we have multiple selections in each category. So you have a lot to see here, and I recommend, it's getting busy. There's multiple people in the indoor showroom, okay?
Out of
checking
the rain.
out of the rain, checking out some of the inventory in here. And I would say call ahead. That's 417-623-3110. Set an appointment. And if you want to test drive a motorhome, you definitely want to call and set an appointment so we can make sure that we're ready and available when you get here.
Okay, so what's that number one more time?
That is going to be 417-623-3110.
And if people want to find more information about Wade's RV, where can they find you online?
So I'd say wadesrv.com, and always join us on our Facebook page. We have so much fun over there. That's at Wade's RV Joplin, and I know we've done some sharing and tagging on each other's Facebook page. So easy way to find us is through your Facebook page, and we have a YouTube channel. We do a lot of educational videos. Me and Willie D, we have like a little podcast where we kind of talk more in depth on just RV camping, some of our RV camping experiences, and just stuff like that.
And if you want a taste of that, by the way, check out the reel that I posted on the Kicks Facebook page where Willie D breaks it all down. We go inside this gorgeous tip-in. It's absolutely stunning. So come on down, Wade's RV. Take advantage of the spring break sale, 4301 South Rangeline in Joplin. Thank you for having me, little Wade. It's been so fun.
Oh yeah, it's been awesome. Spring break this weekend at Wade's RV.
It's Jen Fox on the 4 States #1 for country, Kicks 102.5.
Come see us.